Camp Nou is changing faster than ever. And today, we finally get a close-up look inside the stadium. The pitch is already taking shape. New LED screens are being prepared. The VIP areas are moving forward, and the compression ring continues its rapid expansion toward Tribuna. But that's not all. From the latest interior works to the newest facade and structural progress, today's update reveals just how close Camp Nou is getting to its next major milestone. Let's take a complete look at the latest progress. The installation of the decorative ceramic lamas continues to advance around the stadium. A significant portion of the exterior is now covered, creating much stronger visual continuity. One of the most noticeable features is the changing color effect depending on the viewing angle, with the lamas appearing beige from some positions and shifting toward the blaugrana colors from others. However, several areas around the cores are still incomplete, as some of the supporting substructure has not yet been installed. The decorative cladding is progressing steadily, but the full exterior coverage is still underway. The second VIP ring continues to be enclosed with sandwich panels. These panels are also being installed around the stadium cores, progressively closing the spaces between the first and second terraces. Inside the stadium, the first VIP ring continues to develop, although there are still limited visible finishing details. The walls have not yet received their final paint or finish, but a significant section of the south goal area has now been rendered. The rendering work is covering the exposed concrete blocks and giving the walls a more finished appearance. The final surface treatment is still pending, but the rendered sections show clear progress toward the next finishing stage. At the south goal, the sandwich panels continue to advance around the cores. One of the cores is already very close to being fully closed, while the next core is progressing more gradually. The work is being completed section by section, and the remaining open areas are becoming increasingly limited. The lower part of one core is already almost completely enclosed, while the neighboring core continues to move forward. Overall, the sandwich panels are steadily closing these areas and giving the south goal a more complete appearance. The compression ring is now approaching its final structural phase. The installation has reached the last pillar before the Tribune sector, meaning the next pillars to be installed will belong to Tribune. 8 Tribune pillars remain, together with their corresponding radial beams and compression ring boxes. The remaining section is considerably shorter than the completed sections around the goals, so the full closure of the compression ring is now becoming increasingly imminent. The remaining work is concentrated in this final stretch before the ring can be completely closed. The first VIP ring continues to develop internally, with the access steps being installed to connect the different seating levels. These steps provide access to the first VIP ring, which consists of 5 rows. The nearby diamond structure at the south goal lateral corner is also prepared for its concrete pour, with the dividing wooden strips already installed. This shows that both the internal access work and the nearby structural work are continuing at the same time. The new Camp Nou pitch is progressing rapidly, with grass installation already reaching roughly 60% during the latest inspection. Workers are joining and positioning the grass sections across the field, and the installation is moving noticeably faster than the previous pitch installation. The final pitch level and appearance will become clearer once the entire surface has been completed, cut, and maintained. At the current stage, the rapid progress of the grass installation is one of the clearest signs that the stadium is moving toward its next operational phase. The LED screen system around the pitch is also being adjusted. Some of the existing LED screens have been moved farther back from their previous positions near the field. The current arrangement appears to be temporary, with access doors and other components visible around the relocated screens. Camp Nou already has one operational LED ring, while indications around the stadium suggest that a second LED ring could be introduced soon. Work is progressing on the dividing barrier between the second tier and the VIP ring. New sections of the separation system are being installed, with doors already visible in several locations. Behind these openings, plasterboard partitions are beginning to take shape, forming the individual spaces that will eventually become VIP boxes and hospitality areas. Structural framing and acoustic elements are also being installed, gradually transforming the open construction areas into enclosed hospitality spaces. A new scaffold structure supporting the floodlights has been installed at the upper section of the third tier. The lighting equipment was previously positioned higher around the second tier, where it affected some seating locations. The new support arrangement is now visible at the top of the third tier as the stadium continues to develop its final infrastructure. This new position changes the arrangement of the lighting equipment compared with the previous setup. The support structure is now clearly integrated into the upper part of the third tier construction area. The compression ring has now reached the point immediately before the tribune section. The existing compression ring boxes extend up to the final pillar, and from the next installation onward, the work will continue through the tribune sector. 8 tribune pillars remain to be installed, along with their radial beams and the corresponding compression ring components. The remaining section is relatively short compared with the completed sections around the goals, which means the final closure of the compression ring is getting very close. The tribune area is undergoing important interior work, particularly around the access stairs leading to the stadium's premium sections. These stairways are being completely transformed, with new finishing work also visible around the escalator areas. These access routes are essential for reaching the VIP and other premium areas, so their completion is an important part of the remaining tribune work. The transformation is already clearly underway, although the area is still under construction. The south goal currently holds a small advantage over the north goal in terms of compression ring box installation. However, the north goal is continuing to advance, and the gap between the two sides could soon narrow as additional components are installed. Both sides are approaching the tribune sector, with the remaining structural work gradually moving toward the same final stage. The next major milestone will be the installation of the remaining tribune pillars and their associated radial beams. At the north goal tribune corner, the decorative ceramic lamas have now reached this section of the stadium. The supporting substructure is already visible, although some of the required supports are still missing. The decorative system is therefore continuing to expand around the exterior, gradually extending toward the tribune sector. The installation is not yet complete, but this section clearly shows how the ceramic cladding is progressing further around the stadium. The Camp Nou renovation continues to move forward, with clear progress across the compression ring, tribune sector, VIP areas, pitch, floodlight infrastructure, and decorative ceramic lamas. The remaining structural work is becoming more concentrated, while the exterior and interior finishing continues to take shape. With the compression ring now approaching its final stage and more areas of the stadium receiving their finished elements, the transformation of Camp Nou is becoming clearer with every update.